Hi guys, welcome back. So in the last video we were working on the lights. Well, I say lights, it was just a light. It was the electrical problem. We've had it through a few more videos, shall I say. Trust me, it was a lot longer than what the videos have been, the headache. Anyway, light was fixed, it's in securely. But it's time to get the parts on. I've done an unravelling video of the parts before to show you what the difference is. Anyway, just look at them. The parts straight away. If we look at the bumper, the way this grille is, wow, it's amazing. Look, this bumper is off a 3-door as well. I don't know, the fog lights make it stand out a lot more. So does the top grille as well. I've just put it on top of there. The top grille as well, the way the lines are going down and going like that. I don't know why, but it just looks very gorgeous to me. Obviously everyone's opinion is going to be different. Some will like it, some won't like it. But anyway, this bumper, it's a bit more horizontal. So if I just come in the camera, the bumper's actually, the normal ones go a bit curved. This one's a bit like that. A bit pointy, shall I say. But the thing is, it fits this car and it is gorgeous and I like it, so I'm going to put it on this car because this one's mine. I got asked a question recently, wasn't on YouTube, but it was about an Astra, and it was when I was looking for the electric brown wire around this area. But anyway, the question that I got asked was, can you put a 3-door Astra part on a 5-door? And the answer is yes. The front end, however, is the exact same. The whole of the front end, you can take off the 3-door, put onto the 5-door, take off the 5-door, put onto the 3-door. The doors obviously are different, the rear end is different. Some will tell you, nope, the rear is the same, you can do this, you can do that. You can't. I've had one in the past where a customer bought a 3-door boot and wanted me to put it onto his 5-door. I told him it wouldn't go on, he still didn't believe me. Put it on in front of him and it didn't fit, it just doesn't match. The back ends are different, the front ends are completely different. So if you've got a front end one, you can do modifications, change it around, whatever you want. But anyway guys, let's come back to this car. So this is the actual grille. If we just move this around to the side, so you can see that. So we'll just put that down there. It wasn't actually on. The bumper's not, it's ready to go, but it's not on. Anyway guys, in the last video you must remember me saying that the crash bar was actually dented in. This is a foam pack that's supposed to go on. It sits on. It will have a bit of play in them, they all do. It's got like a little latch that goes underneath, and it's on pretty fit there. This one's on fit. They don't come off. Obviously they're going to be loose. It's not exactly screwed on. And the holes are still matching up. I've had a toe and eye in there and it did match up. I've had this bumper on already to check if the toe and eyes are matching up. And they were perfectly fine. If I pop that one there, you can see it comes off. Toe and eye went in there, connected to that, and it was perfectly fine. So there was no problem whatsoever. So it does not affect the use of the car. And it's not exactly a major thing to worry about. So that will just stay like that now because, well, it's not a big thing. Anyway guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bumper on. And once the bumper's on, I put the bumper on, put the grille on, and we'll see what happens from there. So I'm going to quickly shut that on. I'll join the videos up so you can see it, so the video's not as long, because I realise the last 2 videos I've uploaded about the electrics, etc., they are a bit of a bore for you guys, sitting there for about 20, 25 to 30 minutes, just watching me do the wiring stuff. I do apologise about that, guys. I've just tried to keep you up to date as well. I didn't want to just record a few minute video and then end it and keep doing that. So I have tried to keep you up to date. Anyway guys, I'm going to merge the next one onto this one and show you what it looks like with the parts on.